Slide down. I didn't do anything. This is his idea. You're wasting time. Just go, submerge, breathe, breathe, breathe. Stop. You're gonna breathe. Breathe. Yes, breathe. Breathe. Stop laughing, breathe. Good morning, everybody. It's about 7:30 right now in the morning. This is my view every morning. It's crazy. Well, last night we took the shuttle to go to the Queen's Marketplace to the Island Gourmet, where we had a big dinner with me and Ethan. I spent about like $85 US, but it's not bad compared to eating here in the restaurants, which would cost you around like $50-$40 each person to be like full. And when we got back around like 9 p.m, Ethan fell asleep, and I did took a nap yesterday, so I was able to stay awake for a little longer. That's my coffee. We're gonna go grab my coffee real quick. I actually brought this French press all the way back home because last time I went to Hawaii, which was in Honolulu a couple years ago, I spent about $300-$400 on coffees alone.
You lying? Yeah.
And so I didn't want to make the same mistake. I just really want some caffeine early in the morning, and the cheapest way for that is to bring my own French press. That was crazy when I was in Honolulu. I was there for 10 days, and when I was adding up all my expenses, coffee was bought twice a day, and it just add up to being a large amount. Yeah, that's good. The ground coffee I have here is 100% Kona, so which is good. Today is a Friday now. Our plan is me and Ethan will go to Kiholo Bay, and today is a free day, so me and Ethan will go check it out. We actually don't have a vehicle to go there, but what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna Uber there for $18 USD, which is not bad. I'm just gonna finish my coffee and then we'll go head out there.
Bye, I'll see you later. Have fun.
Bye guys. We are just waiting for our Uber. She is 1 minute away. We went to the Island Gourmet and we grabbed some breakfast. Good morning.
Good morning.
How's your day so far?
It's going good.
It's always busy around this area, hey? So we got dropped off at the wrong location, so we are doing some extra walk. We now made it to the walkway to Kiholo Bay, but we're definitely not gonna get there as fast as I thought.
You guys could see around me, there's just a bunch of lava rocks, and it feels like we're walking into a desert. There is two ways. If we take a wrong way here, it's gonna be the end of us.
You can check on your phone, right?
Okay, we're going straight here. They use it here. Alright guys, I feel like we've made it. We can see the shoreline. When you guys walk to Kiholo Bay, when you get here, this is really not the perfect spot for swimming. And if you just keep going down, you're gonna see a better spot for swimming because here is just all rocks. There is actually private properties, and when we go to them, we just wanna make sure that we're being respectful and we're not causing any disturbance. We are almost there. We've been walking for a long time. On the way here was definitely challenging, but when we went into the water, that water was like hot and cold, but then at the same time, look at it, it's like it's all Gatorade looking water. We forgot to bring our snorkel and our goggles, so that's kind of sucks. And when you guys come here to like the hook, they're just lava rocks so you can hang out with. We're just trying to enjoy a little bit before we go back. I'm gonna have some lunch. We have some chicken katsu and some papaya that we bought at the Island Gourmet earlier.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you, and I wanna be with. I wanna be with you, and I wanna be with. I I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night.
So we just got back to the hotel. I'm gonna have some coffee and Ethan eating the rest of our breakfast. And then after this, the plan is I'm gonna go snorkel outside of that lagoon and Ethan is going to the swim to the pool. But did you think the hike was worth it?
Yeah, I guess.
On the way there, when we were hiking, Ethan was like sweating so much and he was about to crash out for real. It was a papaya from last night. So good. Hey guys, so we just got back to the hotel. It's around 2:19 right now in the afternoon. We don't have anything else planned until 4 p.m. and we're gonna go to Costco, buy something, and tomorrow it's actually my sister-in-law's birthday, and so my brother said to buy some balloons too just to surprise her, so we're gonna do that. But earlier today I went to outside of the lagoon to snorkel, which it wasn't that much fun. There was really nothing to see over there, and I also got hurt going in there. So when you enter outside of the lagoon, you're basically entering at your own risk. It was really rough outside the lagoon, but right now we're just here in our hotel and we are gonna get ready soon to go to Costco. We are gonna do something crazy. Ethan's back. It has a heat rush. Heat rash. So we are gonna go grab some ice and we're gonna have an ice bath.
Whoa!
Okay, you gotta go down. You gotta submerge.
No, wait.
You're-
No. Wait.
Wait.
Slide down. I didn't do anything. This is his idea. You're wasting time. Just go submerge. Breathe. Stop. You're gonna breathe. Breathe. Yes, breathe. Stop laughing. Breathe. You're gonna make it worse now because now you're warm. Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Go to.
No,
Just
I can't.
breathe.
I can't.
Wow. This is your idea and this is what you're gonna do?
I never thought it would be this bad.
Okay. Hey, come on. Alright.
I told you.
Bro, I don't know if I wanna do this, bro.
A few minutes later.
Joe, you gotta go. I did it.
You didn't do it.
Yes, I did. I pulled my body. You're not getting Dude, I was longer than you.
That's a girl move, but like.
Joe, I think we can.
12 seconds later.
What was it?
I wanna go in again, but like I can't. Mom, you wanna do it?
Stop. Stop making me laugh. You're pushing balloons here and we're pushing this.
I'm gonna pass out doing this.
Do our last one to.
To